Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by confirming compatibility with your system. Ensure the SSD is a 2, 5-inch or M.2 2280 form factor. Check interface type, SATA Roman 3 or NVMe PCIe by model number. Power down and unplug your computer before opening the case. Backup important files to external storage or cloud before altering any drives. Gather tools, a Phillips screwdriver, SATA cable, and an external USB enclosure if you need temporary connections. Update the motherboard BIOS to the latest. Decide between cloning the existing drive or performing a clean install of the OS. If cloning, connect the new SSD with a SATA cable or via an external enclosure and launch trusted cloning software. Use cloning software to copy the existing OS to the new SSD sector by sector and retain partitions. If choosing a clean install, create a bootable USB drive with at least 16 GB and the installation media. Set the target disk to the new SSD during setup and proceed with a fresh OS installation. After cloning or installing, reboot and enter BIOS to set the new SSD as the primary boot device. Choose UEFI boot for modern systems and enable OSI for SATA or NVMe support for M.2 drives. Boot into the OS and verify the drive is recognized and partition alignment is correct for optimal performance. Enable trim support. Check with fsudo behavior query disable delete notify in Windows. Remove the old drive or reformat it and keep it as secondary storage if desired. Update storage drivers and run benchmarks to confirm expected speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.